Akiaria mwena wa Mombatha hindi ya kuhingura kigomano kianene ya honge cia githomo guku bururi-ini, minista wa githomo uritie arutani macoke wira, akiuga thirikari ni irekereirie kigina kia makiria ma ciringi bilioni 2.5.
The government has honored its obligations under the collective bargaining agreement by releasing the sum of 2.73 billion to the universities. And I'm told this money has hit the accounts of the lecturers.
Ogamba aroiga mahinda no guthie marathie na arutwo no gucaya maracaya, akiuga arutani ya university mabatie gucoka wira guku thirikari igithie na mbere na kurora mamwe ma makaya mao.
With this demonstration of good faith and commitment from the government, university staff should manifest patriotism and a duty of care to our students by calling off the strike and returning to work as the conciliator proceeds to call for the meeting, which I'm told is coming up tomorrow, so that you can continue negotiating as the students are learning.
Mĩario ya Minister Ogamba yukite guku arutani magithie na mbere na mugomo wao. Amwe ao kuma thukuru wa TUM guku Mombatha makiuga kigina kiria kirekererie ni thirikari ni ngirimiti ya mwaka wa 2021-2025, makiuga ngirimiti ya mwaka wa 2017-2021 ndiri irakinyanirio.
When we started the strike, we had 3 issues. The issue number 1 was 2.73 billion of CBA 2021-2025 SACCO. Issue number 2 was for the 2017-2021 SACCO of about 7 billion.
Oho uthurimi wa mathukuru no uratwarithio na mbere na riboti irekererio. Mwena-ini ungi Ogamba akiuga thirikari ni itegeire matu arutani a junior secondary aria marurumurite ndereti ya kwenda kwirugamia ta thukuru kiumbe.
We are trying to weed out any perceived ghost students or ghost schools in our system. So we are now working very hard to ensure that we have the right data of how many schools we have in Kenya, how many learners are in which school, how many learners are in which region. That issue that they want to be autonomous is an issue that they raised recently when they came to visit the president. But it is an issue that, as we speak today, is part of the reforms that we'll be doing when we do the reforms to the acts, to the statutes and the policy reforms.
Thutha wa gukorwo akihingura kigomano giki, Minister wa githomo niwe Julius Ogamba nigete ati thirikari ni gukorwo igithie na mbere na gwika uthuthuria iguru ria mathukuru matari ho gukorwo makiheo mbeca na ni gukorwo ikiruta riboti yake kwa ihinda ria kiumia kimwe. Ngiribotera Inooro TV kuma guku gicwa-ini kaunti ya Mombatha, ni njitagwo Francis Madi.